Uy, lumitan. Ay, sorry. Sorry, guys. Wala sa sarili. Kaya sabi niyo about it. Maling Tagalog. Maling Tagalog. Yeah.
Ba't mo kami kinakausap?
Oh, sige. What did you have to give up, or what did you give up to make it to the get of the
Ano yung sinabi mo yung
siguro ngayon, mas dyan na talaga ako.
Hindi ba feel time?
Nakuha ko lang yung goal. Kasi, survival year, so, gusto ko talaga mag-push sa sarili ko na kaya ko rin magsagawa sa lahat.
There's tahimik to eh. I want to know more about you. There's tell me something about you that we don't know about. Trivia lang naman. Not to be next program to you. Weird habit. Ano?
Kumakain ng tao.
Kumakain ng buhok.
Yeah! Tao po.
Alam ko na yan eh. Biga. Oh, what did you have to give up?
Parang kay Isaac kasi, nagsasabi ko talaga, wala naman mukhang, makakakuha ko ng achievement, kasi talagang, ito yung pagkakita sa interview, para talaga sa module, kasi, gusto niya talaga, okay kasi mag-mong sarili ko na, ay, tapos,
Deserving ka.
Pagka po may sinulat ko.
Oh, kakalakot, ano?
Kasi, yung temper ko. Pagka po talaga ako siya parang kumikitid yung utak ko.
Ako talaga?
Bakit magkakawala naman, palawak na yun.
Katawag ko na. Okay, pati ka sa sacrifice ko.
So, kaya ko sa artistic na or pwede or kasi gusto ko lang mapakita sa dati ko yung talent ko sa pagbukas ng mga ngayon.
Yeah.
Kaya hindi ka naman sir namin yung goal kahit mga pero hindi ko achievement na yung tawag ng mga pero kung naman yung tawag yung buha-buha ko dahil yung
Mag-Indian naman, di ba? Mag-Indian naman kayo. Makakalo dito marami. Mountain, di ba? Okay. Thank you so much for sharing that part of you. So we're going to Tuntuman. Okay, Tuntuman. Kailangan ko lang sa inyo, precious of time. So, ibig sabihin, kung natapos ako rin sa tapos sa Sidesa, pwede akong bumalik sa kanya. So, makinig kayo mabuti sa katabi ninyo. Okay? Let's start with Aika.
Our candidate celebration for friends, Romans country. Lend me your ears. I come to bear Caesar God's grace. The evil that men do lives after them.
Stop. Right. Good.
The good talk in the third verse. Do not be with Jesus. And Mama would have told you that Caesar was ambitious. If it were so, it must have been ordered. Here, under him, Brutus and the rest.
Stop, then.
For brings and honors the men, so are they all honorable men.
So this is
From I speak to Egypt's funeral. She was my friend, faithful and gentle.
yes.
Yet Brutus said to walk in wisdom. He is an honorable man. He has got many captives home to go. Whose ransoms did the general come to fill?
Stop, boy. You did.
His business is only ambition. Who does the poor have the time?
Stop. Ivan. Ambition.
Ambition should be made of sternness stuff. Yet it is safe to walk ambition. Honorable man. You all see that in the Lutheran house. I Christ presented him a kingly crown.
Stop. Cheat and pride. You think you did that.
She is trying to choose. Was this ambition? Yet Bruce said he was ambitious. In short, Bruce is an honorable man.
Stop.